These mini rescue videos are going extremely viral on internet right now, and this TikTok page has gained 152,000 followers just by uploading this exact style of content. Their top videos are already hitting 30.3 million views, 7.5 million views, and 4.8 million views. Now watch what I just created with AI in under 5 minutes. I am going to show you the totally free method to create these yourself right now. Make sure you have subscribed because we are starting immediately. First, open ChatGPT and click on Explore GPTs. Search for Mini Rescue Generator and click on the first result. Open the GPT and click Start the Generator. It will instantly provide you 10 mini rescue scenarios to choose from. You can also describe your own scenario or simply ask for more ideas. I am going with number 4. Hit enter and ChatGPT will provide you the image prompt and video prompt for that scene. Copy the image prompt and head over to Google Flow. Select the image option and turn on all your desired settings. Paste the prompt in and hit enter. In just a couple of seconds, a set of images will be right here in front of you. Choose the one that looks the most cinematic and dramatic. Click on it, click the 3 dots and choose animate. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt and paste it in. In the video settings, select the ingredients option, choose OmniFlash as your video model, and set the video timing to 10 seconds. Hit enter and your viral mini rescue video will be ready in just a few seconds. Let's watch another one I have created using the exact same method. The tools are free. The process is right here. Subscribe now so you don't miss the next viral AI workflow.